Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Gengar. So first we're going to get started with the frown lines. So on the left hand side, we're going to curve this line down slightly on the left. We're going to line this up at the same height on the right hand side, replicating that, drawing that at the same size. Let's bring these lines out on a diagonal now. So from that corner, we're going to stretch this line up and over towards the top left. And then we're going to do the same thing, bringing this over and out towards the top right. Let's come underneath for the eye. We're going to draw in a nice big circle. So we're going to connect this from the outside, arching this all the way around, and then back over on the inside. We're going to replicate that on the right, arching this over and through towards the top. Let's draw on the pupils now. So on the left-hand side for our oval, we're going to curve this line around and through. Flipping over on the side, let's replicate that again one more time. Now from here in the middle, we're going to draw in another oval right in the center. Slip over, replicating that. Let's move down and draw in the mouth now. On the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line all the way around and up on the right-hand side. Start in the corner, we're going to curve this around and through towards the center. Then we're going to step across on the right-hand side and replicate that, arching that around, bringing that in towards the middle. Let's draw on the teeth. We're going to draw in a straight line directly up in the center. We're going to leave a gap on both sides, replicating that. And then let's move across again one last time, finishing off the mouth. Let's draw in the shape of the body now. On the left-hand side, just above our eye, we're going to curve this around, arching this through towards the bottom. We're going to line this up at the same height on the right hand side and replicate that, drawing this at exactly the same size. Let's close off the bottom. We're going to leave a gap on the left hand side. We're going to start by arching this around and through towards the right, also leaving a gap. Let's come over now and we're going to draw in the ears up above. So we're going to start on the left hand side, bringing our diagonal line through. We're going to line this up at the same height on the right hand side. And we're going to bring this over and down on the side. Let's curve this in slightly now. From that point, we're going to curve this around and through towards the middle. Now from here on the right hand side, we're going to bring this line up and then over on a diagonal. We're going to start back on that line, bringing this through towards the top. And then from that point, just drawing in a longer curved line, arching that down. Let's connect this to the left-hand side now. So we're going to bring this line out on a slight diagonal, bringing that over. And then where our final gap is here, we're going to just connect this by bringing this line out and then back down on the side. Let's draw in the arms. On the top, slightly below the ear, I'm going to curve this line out. We're going to bring this line in for our first finger. We're going to bring this back out, curving this slightly, curving that back in. Then now from here, we're going to bring this line out on a diagonal again for the last finger. And then from here, from that point, we're going to curve this down and in towards the side of the body. Lastly, let's finish off the two legs. We're going to stretch out over on the side, curving this in. Line that up at the same height on the left-hand side, replicating that. We're going to step in now. So we're going to curve this line down on the left, ending that so it ends on a diagonal. Starting on the foot now, we're going to curve this line out from that point, bringing that back in for the first toe. Step across again, bringing this over, back through towards the center. One last time, again, bringing this out and then up in the corner. Let's close off the tail. Coming over towards the center, we're going to curve this further out towards the right. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this through and in towards the top. And that is it. That's how you draw Gengar. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.